Hi, my name is Marcos Avalon with Miami Shooters Club, and if you've never shot a gun before or don't own a gun or are a beginner shooter, I have just the class for you, the NRA Basic Pistol Course. It's one of the flagship courses developed by the National Rifle Association that will cover the A to Z of owning a pistol, which includes firearm safety, understanding the different types of pistols, their components and their operation, ammunition knowledge, shooting fundamentals, range safety and practice, cleaning and maintenance, what to take into account with pistol selection, and much more. The course includes both classroom instruction and hands-on shooting practice, making it ideal for beginners or for those seeking formal training. This course is a great course to do your first shots with. And if you don't own a gun, no problem, we can rent you a gun. For more info on our next NRA Basic Pistol class in Miami, or for info on any of our other classes, please click on the button or message us right now for more info.